There by the door, in full glory and rainbow colors, was not one, not two or three, but four multicolored rainbow roaches, and it was a great day for Russia. Yes, friends, the multicolored rainbow roaches were brought back, and it was a fantastic day. There was now one multicolored rainbow roach for each of the 5 studying scientists. It was a great day, but meanwhile, back at Alice's restaurant, Sam was snooping around. Yes, friends, he was sitting down having another Coca-Cola, and there in the same corner that Max found the 4 multicolored